Tired of your computer crawling at a snail's pace? The solution might be simpler than you think: upgrading your RAM. But before you rush out and buy new memory, it's crucial to know your computer's maximum RAM capacity. We'll show you how to find that out in just a few easy steps. First, let's use system information. Click on the Windows search bar, usually located at the bottom left of your screen. Type system information. As you type, you'll see system information appear as the top result. Click on System Information to open the application. Once the System Information window opens, look for Installed Physical Memory RAM. This will show you how much RAM is currently installed in your computer. Now, scroll down and find Total Physical Memory. Although System Information does not tell you your computer's maximum RAM capacity, knowing the exact amount of RAM installed is important for cross-referencing. Next, we will check Command Prompt. Click on the Windows search bar. Again, type Command Prompt. You'll see Command Prompt appear in the search results. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. This is important for the next step to work correctly. Inside the Command Prompt window, you'll need to enter a specific command. Type this command: wimicmem physical get max capacity. Make sure you type it correctly, paying attention to spaces. Press Enter. The result you see is the maximum RAM capacity your system supports, displayed in kilobytes. To convert kilobytes to gigabytes, divide the number you see by 1,048,576. This will give you the maximum RAM capacity in gigabytes. And there you have it. Now you know your computer's maximum RAM capacity, allowing you to upgrade your RAM and boost your PC's performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.